Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Vincent Tan speaking. This time, I'm going to share how to use VERSATIL4 Monoblock the controller. I have put the corresponding videos linkage at the below description area just for your convenience. This sharing divides into these 6 parts.
Parameter setting.
Next, we go to the parameter setting, which is enter this page. We actually offer you this table. From here, you can adjust the set point of the water out temperature in cooling mode, water out temperature in heating mode. And here is the room temperature in cooling and in heating mode. And the last is the water tank temperature, which is for the domestic hot water. And here is the heads up that if you would like to change the control target from the default water out temperature to the tea room, then you need to select this control state. Adjust this one, which is at the commissioning. In the second page, which is this one, we allow you to adjust this delta T. And this delta T means once the heat pump reach the set point, and then the temperature either it will goes down in heating mode or it will goes up in cooling mode. Then once it reach the delta T, how it will recover to operate. And I will show you an example for better understanding. So let's say it's in heating mode and the control target is water out temperature and your set point will be 47 degree and this delta T heat is 7 degree. So from this diagram, we have this set point, and then once the heat pump turn on, it will heat up the water temperature until it reach 47. Then heat pump turn off. After that, the water temperature will drops until this point. This is 47 minus 7. It will become 40. Then the heat pump will turn on again to heat up the water. And here is what we call this delta T heat. However, that is only for the space cooling, space heating, and also the set point to beat the room temperature. As for the domestic hot water, this delta T hot water a little bit different because there is a T compensation in the algorithm. And I will show you a diagram and also example for better understanding. And here is it. In the DHW mode, our set point is say to be 55 degree and the delta T hot water to be 7 degree, and this T compensation is 2 degree is fixed in the algorithm, not allowed to adjust. And from this diagram, we can find that once the heat pump detects the set point reach the 55, then it will turn off. And actually, it will go to this 46 degree to turn on again. And then heat up the DHW. And here is what we call the delta T hot water. You can find that there is a two different, which is this T compensation. And the purpose of we set up this is to avoid the frequently on off due to the smaller water tank. That's all for this sharing. If you still have any other question or suggestion, please welcome to send to my email address. Hasta la próxima. それではまた今度。